What's up, guys? Your boy Brad here with a quick instructional on how to use the Versus Me Slummed stack to make your bike look super fly. If you like, and you like a low stack, which I do, I take a longer bar, even though Fu at Epic says it's stronger to use spacers here and shorter bars. In my preference, the bars today are strong enough, and this looks better. So I'm going to show you how to throw that sucker on. Real simple. Take your bars off. Take your headset cap off. Make sure all your spacing in here is correct, because you should be able to tighten it down all the way without having any issues with it spinning. So make sure you lube all these little areas. Grease with metal on metal here. Take our Versus Me Slum stack. Slide her on there. Wipe this area down a little bit. Be super cool if you could see the engraving, but it's a quality component. As you can see, I have my forks cut down here. A lot of people will think you cut your forks down, you're going to lose the warranty on the forks. However, that is incorrect. If your forks have lines on them for cutting, or your bars, that means that they are meant. Sorry, guys. That means they are meant to be cut, such as these right here, and the warranty will stand. There we go. Hope I didn't screw that up too much. Boom, beautiful fit. Take this back a little. There you go. We also have some spacers on the way. These are some prototypes in case you do want to run something like a slummed stack and still, and you like to stack it on top of your stem. Some people do like that, and a lot of them that don't have recesses, I think stacking on top is a little easier. So what I'm going to do here with this stem doesn't quite need stacked. As you can see, there's about a 4mm area between the top of the steer tube and the top of the stem, which looks about perfect. So I do not think I'm going to need any spacers here. Get this kink top cap. All right. And there you go. There is your slummed stack. Take that off. As you can see, it is tightened down all the way. And I am just going to straighten those bars out in a minute. But if you're not able to tighten this down and it's still not spinning freely, you're going to have to adjust your headset. Make sure you have the proper spacing in there. It's a really little area, but it's very important and integral to having your bars spin. Sometimes there's a little shim you can slide in there. Like I said, we're also going to have some that are coming in from Tokyo from Versus Me, Slum Stack, and some low stacks. Here's your low stack. Fudge. There we go. It's a tricky angle. Hope you guys get to see that thing. Anyway, if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments what you think about the slump stack. And if you're interested, I'll make sure to get you one. Thanks for watching, guys.